Yeah, so we're going to look at the PPE we'd use whilst attending an incident and resolving the spill. So first off, we're going to do our risk assessments. We're going to get our hazardous data sheets, MSDS sheets, and we're going to have a look at what we're dealing with. So what PPE we're going to need. Are we fine using something like these type of gloves, rigger gloves or something like that? Or do we need something more like the nitrile gloves, or maybe going towards gauntlets? If you're dealing with chemical spills, different products have different breakthroughs on the glove, which can mean that you might have, say, 5 minutes in that, and another one you might have half an hour before the product actually breaks through the glove. So that's the sort of thing you need to bear in mind. So we need to know what we're dealing with. Moving on from the gloves, we could be thinking also about our suits. So we've got paper splash type suits here. So we've got white one, orange, possibly for the rail. And then we can move up a gear on that as well. We've got the Chem F suit. So again, like the gloves, you can move up in stages of PPE as required. We need to think about respiratory protection as well. So it might be from something like a face mask. We're all pretty used to wearing masks in one form or another now with COVID. And it might go up to a respirator. This one obviously hasn't got a cartridge on, but again, the cartridges that go on respirators are designated for certain products. Then we need to be thinking about eye protection. So again, that can go from glasses, okay, but if we're dealing with a liquid, something that might splash up, then that's not going to be any good, is it? It's going to go under the glasses and through to your eye still. So then we could be going to the stage of goggles like this here. Let's undo, like so. So using goggles instead. So moving along from there, we could also be thinking about the footwear we're wearing. What sort of wellies we need going to boots? Do we need Chem type Wellingtons? So they're specially designed for chemical response. Would maybe just some over guards on your boots would work. So maybe we could do that. Put that on there like that. Also, it's another good idea is to always work in twos, especially putting the suits on and things. So, because basically, yeah, sometimes it's quite difficult to get them on, So yeah, working in twos, check everyone's fine. With the suits, once you've got the suits, these type of suits on, and you've got your wellies on, you've got whatever on, you may be thinking then about taping round the gloves and the suits. And also round the boots, so that the product can't splash up either down into your boots or up your arm and down into the gloves.